I'm Molly Hudson, your downtown Omaha neighborhood reporter. It's been just over 1 week since an OPD officer shot and killed a man while serving a warrant. Douglas County Attorney Don Klein has decided the officer's actions were legal.
Based on the evidence as we know it to be in the law on the use of deadly force in Nebraska, we find that the use of deadly force by OPD Officer Vail was legal under the laws of use of deadly force in the state of Nebraska.
Don Klein and his investigative team say they reviewed all the evidence, including body camera video, interviews, a diagram of the house, and are aware of what led up to the warrant authorized by the court.
Immediately after this happened, Officer Vail says he charged me and I fired my gun.
On August 28th, OPD officer Adam Vail shot and killed 37-year-old Cameron Ford while serving a search warrant for drugs and firearms.
I think it's reasonable to believe under the circumstances that he had and what he was doing that day that he thought, I need to protect myself and my fellow officers.
Because the body camera worn by officers, including Vail, was partially blocked by body shields, Klein said he had to rely on Vail's and other officers' accounts of what happened.
No officer said, well, I saw him put his hands up, or I saw him say, hey, here I am, if you're looking for me, or no compliance at all.
Community activist Deshaun Lavelle was outside the county attorney's office as Klein announced his decision.
Today is definitely a miscarriage of justice. I feel Don Klein has come out far too early in this case to make statements.
I asked Klein about the timing of his conclusions and how it compares to past cases.
We had all the evidence we thought that we could possibly get at this point in time, and I didn't want to sit on this any longer. We made a decision, and I think we're very satisfied that we had an opportunity to look at everything that we need to look at to make that decision.
OPD says Vail will remain on desk duty away from the public. This case will go to a grand jury for review following Nebraska law. In downtown Omaha, I'm Molly Hudson, your neighborhood reporter.